to News Movement English. I am Shaini Dey. Let's start today's news.
India recorded 40,120 new COVID-19 infections in the 24 hours ending 8 a.m. Friday, taking the country's tally to over 3.21 crore. Out of the new cases, active cases have come down to 3.85 lakh, while recoveries have risen to 3.13 crore. Kerala continues to top the charts with 21,445 infections. The country recorded 585 deaths. The total toll now exceeded 4.3 lakh. Indian vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech international COVID-19 vaccine have received the regulatory approval for mid to late stage trials. The Government Ministry of Science and Technology said in a statement on Friday. This is the first of this kind COVID-19 jab to undergo human clinical trials in India. Mumbai has recorded its first death due to the Delta Plus variant of COVID-19, with a 63-year-old woman in Ghatgopar succumbing to it in July. This is the second Delta Plus death in Maharashtra, the first being an 80-year-old woman from Ratnagiri who succumbed to the disease on June 13. Delta Plus is a mutation of the highly transmissible Delta variant of SARS-CoV-2.
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy, lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
Tomorrow is 75th Independence Day. Sardar Guru Singh Chaudhary and Bibi Anjana Kaur has extended his heartiest greetings on this auspicious occasion to the viewers of News Movement and inhabitants of Asansol and its surrounding areas. He also advised to follow the COVID guidelines while celebrating Independence Day. It is to be noted that he is the son of late Sardar Rajinder Singh Chaudhary and Manjit Kaur Baba of Chaudhary House, Banpur Road, Asansol. He successfully runs Eastern Associates and Manjit Kaur Foundation. The Congress MP Rahul Gandhi and other opposition leaders held a march outside the Parliament building on Thursday, 12th August, to protest the abrupt end to the monsoon session and alleged manhandling of their MPs in Rajya Sabha. Rahul Gandhi said that today we had to come out here to speak to you, as we are not allowed to speak in Parliament. This is a murder of democracy. Parliament session is over. As far as 60% of the country is concerned, there was no Parliament session. Voice of 60% population was crushed, humiliated in Parliament. The top leaders of the several opposition parties met in the chamber of Leader of Opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, and then walked in protest from Parliament House to Vijay Chowk. Those who attended the meeting included Rahul Gandhi, Swaraj Pawar, Kharge, Sanjay Raut, Manoj Jha, and other opposition leaders. Shiv Sena leader of Sanjay Raut also condemned the alleged assault on human MPs in the upper house. He said, the opposition did not get a chance to present their views in Parliament. Yesterday, incident against women MPs was against democracy. It feels like we are standing at the Pakistan border. On Wednesday, several women Congress MPs alleged they were physically bullied by the male marshals as they were protesting in the well of the Rajya Sabha. Congress Chaya Verma and Fulo Devi Nitham alleged that male security personnel manhandled them and Nitham fell in the melee. NCP leaders Swaraj Pawar said that in his 55 years of being in Parliament, he had never seen women MPs being attacked in Rajya Sabha, unlike on Wednesday. He alleged that more than 40 men and women marshals security staff were deployed in the upper house, including some who were brought from outside. It is painful. It is an attack on democracy.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट। Get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434
There has been a long line of vaccination at the Pithadkari Health Center since Saturday morning. Hospital authority announced in the morning that vaccines will not be given today as there are not enough vaccines. Ordinary people protest in front. Finally, the police of the Salanpur police station and the Raghunathpur outpost rushed to handle the situation. Ordinary people were told that there was no decision to give any vaccines today and goes back home. In the context, Raghunathpur Gram Panchayat member Sujit Dastidar said that false propaganda was spread on social media that everyone would be vaccinated today, but only 200 people were supposed to be vaccinated today. Finally, today's decision to give the vaccine was cancelled. They were told that the list would be given in the coming days by making a list through the Gram Panchayat.
ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে। আপনারা আপনাদের পঞ্চায়েতে গিয়ে যোগাযোগ করবেন এবং পঞ্চায়েত থেকে টোকেন নিয়ে ভ্যাকসিন নিতে আসবেন। অযথা কেউ ভ্যাকসিন নিতে ভ্যাকসিনের এখানে ভিড় করবেন না। আপনাদের সকলের উদ্দেশ্যে জানানো হইতেছে যে আজ এবং 16 তারিখ কোন রকম ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে না। আপনাদের উদ্দেশ্যে জানানো হইতেছে যে আজ এবং 16 তারিখ কোন রকম ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে না। পরবর্তী যেদিনকে ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে আপনারা আপনাদের পঞ্চায়েতে গিয়ে যোগাযোগ করবেন এবং পঞ্চায়েত থেকে টোকেন নিয়ে আসবেন। অযথা কেউ এসে ভিড় করবেন না। টোকেন ছাড়া কোনো রকম ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে না।
আপনারা এই মুহূর্তে সরাসরি বাংলা দর্পণ থেকে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমি এই মুহূর্তে উপস্থিত আছি পিঠাগেরি হসপিটালে, যেখানে সালানপুর ব্লকের বহু মানুষ ভিড় জমিয়েছে আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন ভ্যাকসিন নেওয়ার জন্য, কিন্তু এখানে ভ্যাকসিন না পাওয়ায় তারা হসপিটাল চত্বরে বিক্ষোভ প্রদর্শন শুরু করেছে। এই হসপিটাল চত্বরে আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন কীভাবে বহু মানুষের ভিড়, যারা রাত দুটো তিনটে থেকে এখানে এসে লাইনে তারা ভিড় জমিয়েছে। বহু মহিলারা রয়েছে এই হসপিটাল চত্বরে, কিন্তু তারা ভ্যাকসিন না পাওয়ার জন্য এখানে বিক্ষোভ প্রদর্শন করতে শুরু করেছে। আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন কিভাবে মানুষের ভিড় আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন সরাসরি এই হসপিটাল চত্বরে কিভাবে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন মানুষের ভিড়, বহু মানুষের ভিড় এখানে হসপিটাল চত্বরে আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন সরাসরি তাদের দেখিয়ে দিলাম কীভাবে বহু মানুষের ভিড় এখানে এসেছিল বহু মানুষ ভ্যাকসিন নিতে। প্রথমে
আজ এবং 16 তারিখ কোনো রকম ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে না। আপনাদের সকলের উদ্দেশ্যে জানানো হইতেছে যে আজ এবং 16 তারিখ কোনো রকম ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে না।
আপনারা শুনে নিলেন প্রথমে আগে বলা হয়েছিল নাকি স্থানীয় তার লোকেদের বলা হয়েছিল আগে ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে, কিন্তু
According to Ankita Das from News Movement, Sri Hari Purvasha apartment organized a blood donation camp today. 29 units of blood were collected. Sri Malay Ghatak, the state senior minister, inaugurated it, while Srimad Swami Varupananda Raja Maharaj also advised to organize it more and more for the welfare of the people. Sri Ghatak and Maharaj were honoured. Organizers present were Benimadhav Mukherjee, Uttam Mukherjee, Gopal Singha, Sudip Singha, Sanjay Chatterjee, Shushanta Hajra, Pradeep Dash, Swarup Chaudhuri, Srimati Shutapa Chaudhuri, Srimati Juthika Khan Chaudhuri and Mr. Ghatak delivered a speech today.
জি মহারাজ, আমরা কৃতজ্ঞ, আমরা ধন্য আমাদের আবাসনের তরফ থেকে তাকে আজ আমাদের এই প্রকল্পে সামিল করতে পেরে।
যারা আজকে এখানে রক্তদান শিবিরের আয়োজন করেছেন। যারা রক্ত দেবেন তাদেরকে আমি আরো বিশেষভাবে অগ্রিম ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে যাচ্ছি, কারণ এখনো রক্তদান শুরু হয়নি। রক্ত হচ্ছে মানুষের কিন্তু খুব মহৎ দান, এবং রক্ত যারা দেবেন তাদের কিন্তু লেখা থাকবে না যে তিনি কোন ধর্ম, কোন বর্ণ, কোন জাতি, কোন ভাষাভাষীর মানুষ। আবার এই রক্ততে যা প্রাণ ফিরে পাবেন তিনিও কিন্তু জানতে পারবেন না যে যে রক্তে তিনি প্রাণটা ফিরে পেলেন সেই রক্তটা কার ছিল, কোন ধর্মের ভাষাভাষী মানুষের ছিল আর কোন জাতের মানুষের ছিল। তাই রক্তদান শিবির মানে একটা মিলন ক্ষেত্র। সেই মিলন ক্ষেত্রে আজকে যারা উপস্থিত আছেন আমি তাদেরকে আরো একবার আমার আন্তরিকভাবে ধন্যবাদ জানাই, এবং দেখছি তাই যে আজকে মূল উদ্যোগটা কিন্তু মহিলাদের, মনে রাখুন।
Share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830.
On the occasion of Independence Day, the surveillance of the Jharkhand-Bengal border has been tightened. A special police team has been deployed. Sunday in the 75th Independence Day, and so the surveillance has been increased at the West Bengal and Jharkhand border in Asansol. Strict security measures, all two-wheelers and four-wheelers coming from Jharkhand were stopped by the police for search operation. Kulti Traffic and Kulti Police Outpost, Chorangi Outpost are conducting a search operation in the border area. The police said that the miscreant had taken this measure so that no sabotage incident could take place anywhere on the day of the Independence Day on August 15. All the vehicles were stopped and the search operation was going on. A free vaccine camp was organized in the college campus on behalf of Asansol Institute of Engineering Management Polytechnic located at Bagbandi, Asansol. A blood donation camp and sapling plantation were organized there. The program was inaugurated by the State Law cum PWD Minister Malay Ghatak at the Chairman cum Raniganj MLA Tapas Banerjee, Asansol Municipal Corporation Administrator Amarnath Chatterjee, Maharaj Swami Samathanandaji Maharaj of Asansol Ramakrishna Mission by jointly lighting the lamp. In the context, H.N. Misra, the head of the college, said that 400 people were given free vaccines in the camp, including college students, their families and needy people from nearby villages. During the camp, all the health-related rules of the corona were strictly followed. On this occasion, Principal Dr. Lisa Misra and Dr. Subrata Mohapatra, Dr. Sarvanjan, Dr. R.C. Malik, Dr. S.K. Basu, leader of the blood donation movement, Prabir Dhar, former Bro Chairman Aminesh Dash, HOD Anupa Nandi, Rana Chakrabarti, Devashish Banerjee, all the faculties including Munmun Hajra were present.
News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi.
West Bardhaman District Officer Bibu Goyal flag off a tableau on the occasion of the Kanyasri Divas on Saturday. In this context, the district officer said that every year on the event of Independence Day, Kanyasri Day is also observed in the entire state. In this sequence, this day was also followed in West Bardhaman district. Under this, many programs were organized and a tableau was also sent which would circumambulate the entire city. He said that the purpose of celebrating this day is to make the general public aware about the importance of Kanyasri Day, so that the condition of the daughter in the society can be improved further in the upcoming times. Additional District Officer Dr. Abhijit Sevale and other officers were also present on this occasion. In view of the shortage of blood during the corona period, blood donation camps are organized by various organizations all over Bengal these days. In this sequence, a blood donation camp was also organized on behalf of Officers Association Bengal Circle, Asansol branch of a government bank located near Asansol BNR Mode on Saturday. Sabuj Mistry, Pramod Kumar, Shantanu De and Biman Shaha jointly gave the certificate of the blood donors. In this context, the organizer of the blood donation camp said that this camp was organized with the aim of removing the shortage of blood during the corona period. He said that a total of 50 units of blood were collected from the camp.
Like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830.
On 13 August 2021, the 65th and 66th Railway Week Award for the year 2020-21 giving ceremony at General Manager level was held at Dr. B.C. Roy Auditorium, Shialda. Due to the first and second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, the 65th and 66th Railway Week Award giving ceremony was postponed. Sri Parmanand Sharma, DRM and nominated divisional branch officers of Asansol Division were present at Dr. B.C. Roy Auditorium, Shialda, to witness the award-giving function wherein Sri Arun Arora, General Manager of Eastern Railway, has presented the seals and cups. Sri Arun Arora, General Manager, Eastern Railway, honoured the selected band of railway officers for their dedicated and outstanding services to the railways with Efficiency Seals Cups Awards. On the basis of overall performance, Asansol Division have been awarded GM's Overall Efficiency Shield for the year 2021 and GM's Overall Efficiency Runner-Up Shields for the year 2020. In 65th Railway Week Award for the year of 2020, Asansol Division has bagged 12 shields and 3 cups, that is, Traction Rolling Distribution Steels, Traction Rolling Stock Shield, Running Room Shield, Bridge Maintenance Shield, Track Maintenance Shield, Overall Engineering Efficiency Shield, Rolling Stock Shield, Punctuality Shield, Operating Efficiency Shield, Security Shield, Telecommunication Shield, Environmental Management Shield, Ticket Checking Cup, Coaching Depot Cup, Scrap Disposal Cup by Asansol and Malda Division. In 66th Railway Week Award for the year 2021, Asansol Division has bagged 5 shield and 2 cups, that is, Running Room Shield, Track Maintenance Shield, Overall Engineering Efficiency Shield, Punctuality Shield, Security Shield, Best Station Cup, Car Sheet Cup. Sri Parmanand Sharma, the Divisional Railway Manager of Asansol, extend his heartiest congratulations and best wishes to all the officers and staff of Asansol Division for their dedicated and outstanding performance for this division. The seals and cups of the department were received by the concerned branch officers in the Railway Week function at Dr. B.C. Roy Auditorium, Shialda. Asansol Municipal Corporation Board member Divendu Bhagat was present in the last day of trade license camp going on the Asansol Chamber of Commerce. He inspected the camp. Seeing the camp of Asansol Chamber, he greatly appreciated it and also assured all kind of cooperation from the municipal corporation to the chamber. From the camp of Asansol Chamber of Commerce, the municipal corporation received an income of 17,88,515 on behalf of the chamber. Secretary Shambhunath Jha and the Joint Secretary Vinay Sharma honored them with banquets, northans and gifts. The way businessmen benefited from the 6 days white camp, similarly the municipal corporation is also expected to get a lot of revenue. A wave of happiness is being seen among the businessmen due to the camp being set up with all facilities. The Secretary of the Chamber, Shambhunath Jha, was very excited to see the success of the camp. At the end of the camp, the members of the municipal corporation were honored by the chamber. The President Naresh Agarwal, Secretary Shambhunath Jha, Vice President Satpal Singh Kir and Joint Secretary Vinay Sharma were present there. Today's SMS of the moment: discovering self is the real tedious one, but most worthy one to have. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.